So in particular, herrings, it seems the catching and selling of these fish was during the 18th and 19th centuries the most important element in the economy of Fishguard and the area. So as fishermen, they would go around shouting, calling themselves the Fishguard Herrings or Scadan Abergwaun. So they'd be kind of going around the markets shouting Fishguard Herrings. And naturally, with kind of Wales's high interest in nicknames, people of Fishguard were known as the Fishguard Herrings or Scadan Abergwaun. And there's a really nice sculpture down in Lower Town kind of celebrating that by John Cleal. 1797, the last time an invading army actually landed in Britain. Captain William Tate arrived with 4 ships carrying 12 to 1400 soldiers. The ships were heading for Fishguard when a cannon fired from Fishguard Fort. The sound was surely amplified and echoed as it rolled around the valley. Of course, what Captain Tate didn't know was that it was a blank. The fort had no live ammunition. Captain Tate, taking no chances, did a rapid turnaround and landed his motley crews at nearby Carragwest, where they plundered their way through farms and homesteads, drinking and eating being their focus. They were not a disciplined force by any means, and most weren't even aware of the plan for the invasion. At the same time, a cobbler's daughter, Jemima Nicholas, a daunting woman of 42 years, took affront to this trespass. With pitchfork in hand, she led a group of women to the marauding troops and arrested 12 of them at Pitchfork Point, holding them prisoner in the nearby Church of St Mary's. It is thought the French, being somewhat inebriated by this time and in the darkness, mistook the Welsh traditionally dressed women in red and black with tall hats as British redcoat soldiers. Just 2 days later, Captain Tate signed a surrender to Lord Cawdor at the Royal Oak. Jemima, for her bravery, was awarded a lifetime pension, very unusual for the time, and is credited with the surrender of the French. Jemima died aged 82, and to this day is remembered as one of the most significant women in Welsh history.